Alright, we are going to be solving another interesting question on circuit analysis. And the question says we should find the equivalent resistance between terminal A and terminal B. Alright, how do we solve this question? The question is looking complicated. Alright, but let me show you a trick that I'm going to use here. Now we are going to redraw this circuit, and then we are going to try and take this terminal and extend it out like this, and take this and extend it out. Like, how do you think it's going to look like? Then it means that these two ohms and these 2 ohms here, they will be at that side, and this terminal B will be at this side. So it will now be looking like a what? It will be looking like a Wheatstone bridge. Are you getting the idea? So let's redraw it here, then you are going to see it clearly. Alright, so you can see this is our diagram. So it's as if we are doing this terminal A, we stretch it up so you can see it here, and this is our terminal B. Alright, so and this is looking like a Wheatstone bridge, right? Now let's check if it is balanced. Alright, so how do we know if it is balanced? Let's call this R1, let's call this R2, let's call this R3, let's call this R4, and let's call this R5. Alright, so let's check if it is balanced. If it is balanced, we can take R1 over R2 will be equals to R3 all over R4. R1 all over R2 will be equals to R3 all over R4. And then you can see that everything is 2, right? So it's going to be 2 all over 2 will be equals to 2 all over 2. And you see 2 divided by 2 here is 1. 2 divided by 2 here is 1. 1 is equals to 1. It means it is balanced. So it is balanced. So since it is balanced, it means that we are going to remove this resistor at the middle. Alright, so we are going to remove this one. Yes, since it is balanced. Alright, so that's it. Now you can therefore see clearly now that we can solve this directly now. Now if you look at this, if we pass between the terminal AB, we connect a voltage source to it, the current that flows through this R4 will be the same current that will flow through this R2, and the current that flow through this R3 will be the same current that flow through this R2. So it shows that this and this they are in series, this and this they are in series. Alright, so it shows that, let's take RT1. RT1 is going to be 2, that is R2 plus R4, right? R2 plus R4, which is going to be 2 plus 2, and 2 plus 2 is what? 4 ohms. Alright, so let's go for RT2. RT2 will be equals to R3 plus R1, which is going to be 2 plus 2, which is also what? 4 ohms, which is going to give us 4 ohms. Alright, 4 ohms. So now we can clean this and connect them directly. Exactly, can clean this and connect it directly. Alright, look at it. Alright, you can see our diagram and we have connected them directly. Alright, so we are now having 4 ohms and 4 ohms. You can see now this 4 ohms is parallel to this 4 ohms. So you are going to say, notice that 4 ohms is parallel to 4 ohms. Or you can say that RT1 is parallel to what? RT2. Exactly, you can put RT1 here, RT2. Alright, so the equivalent resistance now, that is R equivalent, will be equals to 4 multiplied by 4 divided by 4 plus 4, which is going to be 16 over 8, and 16 divided by 8 is 2 ohms. So it shows that the solution to the above question is 2 ohms. I hope we understand this. And by the way, we have our handwritten materials well structured and organized on what you just watched and every of our previous video that you have watched. So for you to get this material sent across to you, you can just go down to our description. You are going to have access to our WhatsApp and our email. You can send us a direct message on any of these. And if you also need a private class, we are also ready. If you also want a mentorship, of course, we are also in for you. All right. and peradventure today is your first time of coming across our content, do well to give this video a thumbs up, smash on the bell button so that anytime we upload a video like this, you'll be the first to receive the notification. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, here we don't hold back knowledge, we share. So that's why you need to share this content right now with your friend who might be in need of it. Thank you. Stay tuned. All right.